Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hello guys, how are you doing? I want to gist you about the update of the late Alaafin of Oyo. It's no longer news that the Oba Lamidi Adeyemi Alaafin of Oyo has joined his ancestors, and as culture demands that you see people coming from all walks of life to pay their condolence visit and to the late Alaafin family. And so among dignitaries that have visited the family of late Alaafin of Oyo, Oba Lamidi Adeyemi III, is Engineer Seyi Makinde, that's the governor of Oyo State, the #1 citizen of Oyo State, has paid his condolence visit to the late monarch family. He has gone there to pay his condolence visit, and we still have more people that will have to be thronging the palace to pay their condolence visit, and we'll say may his soul continue to rest in perfect peace.
Is that okay?